Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we are actually going to create some really whimsical Halloween houses using napkins. These napkins were actually a part of my napkin squad, but you can definitely find some adorable napkins that are going to work for this project. These houses are linked in my description. You can get these from my shop, and we are just painting them white on all the edges. One of the reasons you want to paint your wood pieces white before you apply napkins is because it's going to make the colors a lot more vibrant once you put the napkin onto your piece. All napkins have multiple plies to them. They may be 2 or 3 ply, and so you're going to want to remove the layers of the napkins, and you just want the one that has the image on it. So this one, I thought the tall feet for the witch were really cool on the tall one, and this is the Home Sweet Haunted Home one that we are adhering to this one. I did tear off a little bit of the words that actually went over into the next design on the napkin because I did not want those. And once we adhere it to our wooden house, you are not going to be able to see those torn edges at all, and you'll be able to see it in the final picture. I did put Mod Podge down on this, and I am also covering the top with Mod Podge. There are multiple ways you can apply napkins. I have a few on my website if you want to check all of those out, but we are using just the old-fashioned Mod Podge way. Once all your pieces are dry, you're going to sand off the edges and knock off the excess napkin. These turned out so cute, and I cannot wait for you to see the finished project. I think everything is prettier with bows, and so we are actually going to create a bow, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. We are actually going to wrap our house with this fabric strip that I tore and just create a little knotted bow at the top. I have this little glitter spider that actually was perfect. It's orange, the sweet word was orange, and that just went so perfect together. I loved it. This is where this project truly comes to life. I had no intention of creating this witch's broom when the project started, and so you're going to see it come together just as I was just fumbling through it and making it. So I had a wooden dowel, I cut to size and painted black. Now we have this pick that we got from Dollar Tree. It's full of glitter and it's black. So fun, and I thought it made perfect broom bristles for the broom. We just hot glued them on all around, and then we took some twine. Once we had it full the way we wanted, we took some twine and wrapped it around, kind of like on a regular broom, how you have it tied together, and then I painted the twine black so you can't even see that it's twine. Now we're just going to adhere it to our piece, and we actually had a piece that messed up on our napkin, and this covered it perfectly. Like I say, everything is fixable, and this is another project true to that. Everything is fixable. So we're going to take some fabric and rip it into a strip and do the same thing on this one that we did on the other one. You guys, these are so cute. If you want to join my napkin club, the link is in the description. The link to my shirt is also in the description, which is so adorable and so fun. Check this out. Our Halloween display this year is coming together so perfectly, and all of these things I have taught you to make here on this page. If you love this DIY and all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org and join our community, and let's just have some fun together. Thank you so much for watching today.